Alright, we are at the Commerce Place in Edmonton Alberta. What's going on to the escalators there? They are getting replaced, and then they have this temporary still out. And guess what happened to the door impulse parking elevators? They got modded. These things, door impulse parking elevators got modded. Here's this one. New cabs. New CLP. 2.
Second floor.
P3.
P3 floor.
Top the one. Look very nice out.
F floor.
Alright. Let's go over to the down here. There's parking out there. There's an escalator. I'm gonna do more renovations to this building. The escalator still original, which unfortunately we're going to be going 5 on it. As soon as these ones down there, these are going to be next. So let's take a ride on these escalators. These things will be missed. And then now at the south parking garage area, which were door enforced but got monitors as well by ThyssenKrupp. That's why we did this mod. Rails. This is
Floor
what
2.
I think. What do you have to say about this mod? Another modernization of door elevators. That's what local rail said when he tried to build the West End Medical Center classic door elevators. And I give him credit for that video.
Arcade level 3.
And I also give local areas credit for the video of him when he tried to film the vintage door elevators at Pleasentview Professional Center, which also caused the destruction of all. Here we are in. And there you have it. Some more, some door impulse elevators that go into the destruction of modernization. And some vintage, some escalators there that are going to getting replaced. That would be it.